to share my views on the importance of mangrove trees. If there are no mangroves, then the sea will have no meaning. It is like having a tree with no roots, for the mangroves are the roots of the sea. Without mangroves, this incredibly productive ecosystem would collapse. These mangroves are mostly found in Sundarbans located in River Ganges Delta. This is the largest mangrove forest in the world, while Pichavaram mangroves located in Tamil Nadu is the largest mangrove forest in India. Mangroves are salt-tolerant trees which usually grow in coastal areas of tropical and subtropical regions. Most mangroves grow in tropical regions, typically near the mouth of a river. All the mangroves set up a root system up in the air so that the plants can breathe. There are three types of mangroves. They are the red mangroves, the black mangroves, and the white mangroves. The red mangroves. The red mangroves can be distinguished by the reddish color on the bark of the trunk roots. They are also called walking trees. The prop roots of the red mangroves arch out from the branches and trunks and produce additional roots and give the tree an appearance as if it is walking in water. This type is more abundant in South Florida, the Caribbean, and in Central and South America. The black mangroves. The black mangroves are the largest and tallest of the three types listed. They are capable of taking in salt water, use the water, and also put the salt back onto their leaves. The bark of the black mangroves are dark in color, which gives it the name black mangroves. This type is mostly found in both Atlantic and Pacific coast and in tropical and subtropical regions of America. The white mangroves. The white mangroves like to live on more solid grounds, but they still get inundated with salt water from time to time. They have a breathing root growing from a very shallow root system. This type is mostly found in Antarctica and Argentina, Florida, and in Atlantic coast. These mangroves grow luxuriantly in places where the fresh water mixes with salt water or where sediments is composed with accumulated deposits of mud, that is marshy lands. Above the water, the mangroves form a canopy and provide an excellent habitat for a wide range of species including birds, insects, mammals, reptiles, etc. Due to high abundance in food and shelter and because of low predation pressures, mangroves form an ideal habitat for a wide range of animal species. Mangroves form a critical habitat for diverse marine life and terrestrial flora and fauna. Importance of mangrove trees. Mangroves grow actively in places with more salinity and in marshy lands. They serve as storm buffers by reducing the wind and wave action in shallow shoreline areas. They serve as roosting and nesting sites for the birds. They assist in protecting the water quality and clarity by filtering the runoff and trapping the sediments and debris from adjacent lands. And so on. They are useful since the mangroves are very precious, helpful, and important. It is our duty to protect its ecosystem. Intensive afforestation should be followed to ensure the rich formation of mangrove trees, and awareness programs should be conducted by the government to protect the biodiversity of mangroves ecosystem. Conservation is the state of harmony between men and land. So let's join our hands to protect our mangroves. Let's change. Change is good.